To make this star, we need yarn, a crochet hook. The hook must be compatible with the yarn size, and a normal needle for final finishings, and a scissor. To start, you have to make a slip knot. You have to take your yarn in your hand, hold this end and twist it once to get an X shape in the middle, and then take the working yarn slowly outside. Now make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 stitches, slip stitch into the first chain. What you have now is a circle. So inside this circle we will work now. Make chain 1 and then make a single crochet inside the loop, and then chain 1 and then make a double crochet inside the circle. While doing the double crochet, don't stretch or drag your yarn like this. Make tighter stitches for better finishing, like this. And then after double crochet, chain 2, 1 chain, 2 chain, and then we will make single crochet. To make single crochet, this single crochet we are not making inside this circle, but I will show you. We have a space here. This is the double crochet strand, so we have a space in here, and we will make a single crochet into this space. So insert your hook, bring the yarn outside and make a single crochet. After making single crochet, chain 1 and then go into the circle, make a single crochet like this. This finishes one triangle. So this one triangle is finished now. You should drag these loops closer because we will be making 5 such triangles inside this circle. So after making single crochet, chain 1, make a double crochet inside the circle, and then chain 2, then make a single crochet into the space, and then chain 1, make a single crochet in the circle. Drag the loops closer. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. 2 triangles are over. Now we will make the third one. As usual, chain 1, chain 1, make a double crochet inside the circle, and then chain 2, then make a single crochet into the space, make single crochet and then chain 1 and single crochet. So this is 3 triangles. Now we will make the 4th one as usual. Chain 1, chain 1, make a double crochet inside the circle, then chain 2, make a single crochet into the space, and then chain 1, make a single crochet inside the circle. Chain 1, make a double crochet inside the circle, chain 2, make a single crochet in this gap, and then what we usually did, we chain 1 after single crochet, but in this step, since this is the last one, we will drag the yarn about 10 centimeters, and then we will cut the yarn and take the remaining outside. Now comes the finishing part. Insert this end inside the normal needle and look at the length and insert into this chain equally. It is equal to this side, so insert into this chain and then insert in this chain. To finish, pull it closer, and this finishes our star. Now we will weave the tail like this. And we will cut the yarn. Thank you.